How do I fix BSOD? So friends, if you are facing the BSOD problem in your laptop or PC, how can you solve it? Let's see the question here. For some reason, and first of all, I was having problem with the mouse. Both left, middle and right mouse button does not work when you try to click anything. Even with the mouse pad too, but they do work when I think it doesn't work. The middle mouse button works only when scrolling. Left and right button works as I am clicking any of these texts I am typing. But on the desktop, whenever I try to click the computer icon, it opens but can't open hard drives such as C and D. I try. So this is the problem person was facing. This is his laptop information. Now let's see if someone has an answer for it. So this is the Jayashree gave the solution for his problem. Let's see what it is. Mouse and here you can try to resolve the issue. Fix mouse issues, update drivers, open device manager, window plus X, then device manager. Right click your mouse under mice and other pointing devices and select update drivers. Check mouse settings, go to settings, then device, then mouse and touchpad. Adjust settings if needed. Test with another mouse. Connect a different mouse to see if the issue persists. 2. Fix BSOD. Boot into safe mode. Restart and press F8 or Shift plus F8 to access safe mode. Check if BSOD occur in safe mode. Update rollback drivers. In safe mode, open device manager. Update or scroll back drivers for your mouse. Graphics card RTX 3050 and storage controllers. Run SFC and DISF in your command. Open command prompt and as administrator, run SFC/scan now to repair system files. Run DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health to fix Windows image. Check hardware. Run Windows memory diagnostic. For RAM, run chkdsk/f/r in command prompt. Hard drive issues. For hard drive issues, restore BIOS settings. If BSOD started after BIOS reset, restore BIOS to previous settings. System restore. Use system restore to revert to a point before the issue started. Clean install. If BSOD persists, perform a clean install of Windows 11. Backup your data first. 3. Revert to Windows 10. If needed, go to settings, then update and security and recovery and select go back to Windows 10 if available. If you continue to experience issues or have specific error codes from the BSOD, those details could help pinpoint the problem further. So friends, if you still want to read the screen, so I will slowly scroll. You can pause the video and read everything here and solve your problem step by step. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe.